11. This zone is called the zone of fracture because it is very brittle, and that part of the glacier does not behave as other parts of the snow below do. 12. In plucking, meltwater beneath the glacier seeps into rock cracks, refreezes, pries rock apart, and carries fragments along with the glacial ice. In abrasion, rock fragments on the underside of a glacier smooth rock beneath the moving glacier. 13. Cirque is D. Glacial trough is E. Hanging valley is A. Horn is C. Arete is D. 14. A. End moraines are formed when the glacier is stationary and does not move. B. Lateral moraines represent ridges which are formed along the sides of glacial valleys in situations when glaciers melt and accumulate all the material they have carried. C. Ground moraines are formed during the process where glaciers recede. 15. Drumlin is A. Outwash plain is G. Esker is G. End moraine is B. 16. Sand goes up the gentler side of the dune blown by the wind just beyond the crest of the dune. The moment the sand goes over the crest, the wind slows and the sand is dropped out. The sand accumulates and the slope becomes steeper and steeper. 17. When the velocity decreases, the water drops the sediments transported. 18. Desert streams usually cannot last very long since the rate of evaporation is enormous and soil infiltration is very active. They do not have a complex system of tributaries as streams in humid areas do. 19. Their disturbance may lead to erosion. 20. Water is the most important agent of erosion, but wind works better at eroding in the desert than in humid regions. 21. Under the great pressure of overlying snow and ice, the normally brittle material becomes plastic, so it can deform.